Good afternoon, friends. In the previous episode, we have studied about the male and female reproductive system in human beings. In today's episode, we shall be studying about fertilization, types of fertilization, and misconception on test tube baby. What is fertilization? Fusion of a male gamete called sperm and female gamete called egg, resulting in the formation of a zygote, is called fertilization. Millions of sperm cells move to meet the ovum. Only one sperm will be able to break the membrane of the egg. Then the egg nucleus and the sperm nucleus fuses and fertilization occurs. Fertilized egg is called as zygote. Types of fertilization. Fertilization happens in two different ways in animal kingdom. One is external fertilization, the other is internal fertilization. External fertilization. Fusion of male and female gametes outside the body of a female is external fertilization. This type of fertilization requires presence of water for the sperm to swim and meet the egg, which is already released in the water. Both sperms and eggs are released into the water in large numbers as the chances of getting destroyed are more. Organisms must live in water or return to water for reproduction. Example for external fertilization is fish and frogs. Internal fertilization. Fusion of male and female gametes takes place in the female body. Fewer young ones are produced because the mother body will protect the fertilized egg from the predators. Internal fertilization happens in aves, mammals, and reptiles. Examples: humans, cows, dogs, hens, snakes, etc. In vivo fertilization. The process involves monitoring and stimulating a woman's ovulatory process by hormonal treatment, followed by extracting the ovum or ova from the woman's ovary and letting the sperm fertilize. The sperms are already collected and preserved in a laboratory. The fertilized egg or zygote is cultured for 2 to 3 days in a growth medium and is then transferred to the same or other uterus with an intention of establishing a successful pregnancy. If the in vitro fertilized embryo or the zygote is transferred into the uterus of another mother, she is referred to as surrogate mother, as she is lending her womb. Misconception on test tube baby. The test tube babies are not developed inside the test tube or petri dish. Only fertilization takes place in the test tube or petri dish, and the fertilized egg, after developing for 2 to 3 days, is transferred to mother's womb. Facts about in vitro fertilization. The world's first test tube baby, Louis Brown, born in England. In India, the first test tube baby is Durga, also called as Kanupriya Agrawal. In this episode, we try to understand the fertilization, types of fertilization, and the misconception about test tube baby. Test tube babies are not grown in test tubes, they are only fertilized. The first step in baby formation takes place in test tube. Later, complete development takes place in the womb of the mother. Thank you.